$2,000 box. Lola announces everything.
Sailboat wants a thumbs down. Hey guys, it's Lola. Welcome to Sailboat.Sneakers beater box unboxing.
That's gonna be it. Nice. Well, you heard her. What the fuck are you waiting for?
Let's get started. So it looks like tonight we have a bunch of booze and a bunch of boxes.
Wow. I'm just gonna let Lola lead tonight. Apparently.
So to start tonight, we're gonna start off on a good note, which means we're gonna cheers to this unboxing, and Sailboat's gonna pour me a shot. We have viewers.
Oh God. Viewers. What's up, viewers? Nice to see you. This video unofficially sponsored by Jack Daniel's Honey.
Tennessee honey. We got that out of the way. Let's open what we have here first. It looks like a package from Angelus Direct. Angelus? I don't know. So we're gonna just open it and find out what it is.
This is a package from Angelus Direct. What do you think's in this package?
Could be really good stuff.
It could be really good stuff. In this package right here, from Angelus Direct, a whole bunch of things. And we are going to start off with this. A little freebie. Angelus lanyard. A freebie of the package for sure.
For shizzle. Ooh.
A sticker of the paint gun guy.
A nice slap for the desk. Now this I'm quite familiar with. This is not something that is one of a kind, because I'm quite familiar with this. I'm a lover of paint. I actually have two of these right here. And I am going to now take a guess that this is for your restoration work.
She's catching on. If you know Angelus, you know that they definitely have a wonderful selection of restoration products. Something I'm going to be using here on a regular basis. A color wheel. A color wheel to help me decipher which color is which color, because I have never seen a rainbow before and I need to see one. So this is going to be how I see one.
I took something out of the package because I was excited to see it. Anyways, this is a shoe tree. Well, guess what? We got our own trees now, bitches.
We're definitely taking a shot for this package.
Look at that. Some shots in this package. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers to you. Cheers to you. And here's cheers to me.
Cheers to all of us, I suppose. A whole bunch of dabbers right here. You guys know how much I love my dabbers. These are some cotton tip dabbers to help me to apply some dye to any sneakers that might need to be dyed. Leather finishers here. We have a gray suede dye and dressing. We got a neutral suede dye and dressing. So this is a light blue suede dye and dressing. I'll probably end up taking the neutral and the light blue and the gray and mixing them all together, because I think that it's going to be a very light blue color. And there's a whole bunch of paints coming out too. A too thin to help to add paints to a paint gun.
A paint gun? Like a paintball gun?
Nah, a little spray gun.
Oh.
Which I haven't got yet. We got a uni blue. This is a color matched university blue. We got a duller right here.
So your blue's a little too bright. You want to mute it a tiny bit, add a drop of this.
Some too hard. Some more color matched paints coming up here. Mid Navy 8. We also have a Blaze 8. Glitter lights, a gunmetal. The last thing in this package here is this box. Now this is a 12 color sampler from Angelus. So I guess that I might as well just go over the different colors that I got in this display case right here.
I'm curious to hear what colors came in it.
We got 12 of them here. Flat white, white, flat black, metallic pewter, red, gray, light blue, fire red, black, purple, mint, violet.
So it sounds like we got a nice selection. All I know is by hearing those colors, I'm excited to see what the future brings.
There's a lot of stuff going on. Trust me, I am just getting started. So since Lola is running the opening of this box, I'll let her...
We're gonna take a 30-second dance break. Woo, okay. No, 30 seconds. And we're back for Sailboat's unboxing of another droner boner.
Normally, I don't think that I would enjoy opening up somebody else's boners, but hey, with the droner, anything is possible. Here we go, we're gonna open this shit out of this box here!
And we're gonna go to the first shoe here. We got a nice box right here. Wow, look at this. Right off the bat, we got some beautiful, what are they?
Jordan 1 Mid Chicago.
Holy moly, look at these. Fire.
These are dead stock condition. Very, very easy based off of looking at them right off the rip there.
They're pretty gorgeous if you ask me. I know Sailboat's not a big Jordan 1 guy. I'm becoming a Jordan 1 girl. Every time I see a new one, I like them more and more, and this is another one I really like. Like, I would wear this.
This is Jordan 1 Mid.
I don't care.
Yo,
Yo,
we don't smoke mids.
I don't smoke at all.
Yeah, but I don't smoke mids.
I don't know what that means.
Jordan 1 mids! She might like them, but guess what? We're not gonna let her wear them until we get some actual Chicagos or bands.
Alright guys, next shoe in this box from Mr. Droner Boner. You're gonna hate that name we gave you, but we love it because we love you.
It was actually SB Mitch started that.
SB Mitch. I don't know who you are, but I love that name.
Shout out Mitch!
We got this Nike Air Max Fusion. We got the all black colorway. Look at the different dimensions going on there. What do you think about this, Dale?
I think that this is probably a dead stock shoe that was purchased at an outlet, and yeah, not bad, not great, but it's dead stock, and dead stock shoes sell easier, so.
They do. So far, we got some nice shoes in this box. We got a few pairs left. Let's see what we got coming up. We got another one. Sailboat's gonna think I'm crazy. Look at this colorway though. It's so crisp. It's so crisp. You have to admit this is crisp.
The colors are very, very clean. It's hard to knock Jordan 1 on its ability to put together a clean colorway. It's just so plain in my opinion, and it's basic, which is great. It's cool. It's awesome for the people that enjoy that type of thing. That obviously is not my style personally, though.
This is you want to be simple, you want to be classic, you want to show off your style but not take away from what you're wearing. Bam! This is for you. Oh my goodness! Look at this crispness. I'm a big fan of the neutrals. If you haven't noticed from our videos here, like I love neutral a lot because neutral goes with everything. We're ready for our next box during Lola's takeover of Sailboat's YouTube channel, the Air Jordan 11 Retro Lows.
I'm gonna guess a Bread Conquered Lows in dead stock condition. In what size was it?
Yes, the size, because I'm not going to tell you.
Like
Feel it. See if you can figure it out.
6.5 youth.
Wrong.
Damn.
7.
Ah, it was close.
Had a half inch. Means everything.
These are indeed, though, the Concord Bred Lows, which are actually a pretty fucking clean pair if you ask me. They took the two best colorways of a Jordan 11 and put them together in the low format. I don't see how you could go wrong, quite honestly.
Yeah. What do you think? I mean, I like them. I feel like I see them all the time.
Wear your kicks, people.
That's the moral of the story. Don't hold on to them. Wear them. Next, we're gonna go for this minty green box, which you know what that means. Right here, the lid here tells you. We're gonna get a pair of Nike SBs. Let's see what they are. Oh, frick! I like these so badly. They're the 10.5 SB Zoom Dunk Lows. I'm a sucker for anything camo. You like camo, you put them on something to wear, I'm gonna want it. And now that I know this is a thing, I want them in my size. Sailboat, help. Who wants to trade? He's not gonna like it that I said that.
So if you want to find somebody that has these in a size 7 or 6.5, I suppose youth, so 7 youth size, with these camo Dunk Lows, Lola will definitely be down, and we will trade you this bigger size, which is more than likely worth more than the little size.
Look at this, so stylish, so fashionable. You can wear them anywhere. I wish they were my size. No? I feel like they are. Maybe tried on.
Tried on condition.
I like them so much. You really don't like them?
They're cool, but they're basic.
This just goes to prove SBs are on the up and up.
Tried on condition. 10.5 Dunk Low camos. Who knows?
Nike! What's this box mean it is?
Do you know?
Yeah, I do. Jordan 1.
Woo! Jordan 1s.
Yeah. Guys,
Let's go!
This is the shoe channel taken over by Lola. Of course I know what they are. We got some Jordan 1s.
Do you know what this is?
Jordan 1. High top.
True.
Black and red. We got low tops of almost similar ones, no?
Yeah, that's true. Most definitely.
What's it called?
These right here are the Jordan Band 1s 2016 edition. They got the number right out there on the actual sock liner. Hopefully you can see that. But the number is there on the sock liner.
Size 12, dead stock condition. Tempting to keep, right?
Crazy tempting to keep. That's fucking nuts. So this isn't my size. I quite honestly don't know that I can bring myself to undead stock these.
I've been trying to get him to keep a Jordan 1 for months and months and months.
It's fucked up to give me this pair, man. It's such a good pair to have on hand, and I love you and I hate you so much at the same time. This is the best and the worst droner boner ever.
Alright, we got another one for you. I don't know why Sailboat's having me lead the unboxing, but I'm kind of excited for it. It's my first time ever leading it. Essentials. You don't even have to see it to know I like it. I am a fan immediately without looking because I love me some Converse. Before I started dating Sailboat, all I ever wore were Converse. And they're, in my opinion, so chic, so cute, can go with anything. So here we go. For you, this pair right here, size 9 for men, and in the colorway, I don't know. So size 9 for men, size 11 for women. So pretty big difference there. Not your normal translation for sizes, but they're pretty nice. What do you think about them, Sailboat?
Not for me.
Not for him.
They look like they might be a good shoe to do a lot of kickflips in.
Kickflips?
Yeah.
You want to wear these skateboarding?
The toe cap is incredible.
I want to wear them in a dress and like frills and put my hair up and my makeup on and be pretty. And he wants to wear them to skateboard.
They smell like a hockey puck. I suppose that we have
A difference of opinions.
Yeah, difference of opinions on these ones.
Put those away. We got one box left in this unboxing. Back to the fun for your last shoe in your unboxing of your Droner Beater box.
We're about to see the last pair in this Droner Boner. Here's what she's trying to say.
Sailboat's really excited. If you can't hear it in his voice, I can tell you what it is. And I am so ready. Had to go with the Yeezy for the last pair in the box because why would you not? What do you think it is, Sail?
Well, I already see it's a Yeezy 700. I'm hoping that it's above a version 2. It might not be, but I'm hoping it is. It's not above a version 2. But it's still dead stock. Size 10. We got the Yeezy Inertia 700s.
We got the Yeezy 700s here in this box. These are one of the pairs I'm learning how to identify immediately. The colors are pretty standard.
Got a muted gray with different tones of gray. Couple of hits of infrared pink type of color. These are in dead stock condition in a size 10. Not too shabby.
So honestly, I feel like the world's not gonna like me after this, but for me, I don't like Yeezys. Yeezys are just a social media pair.
You heard it here first. Lola says that Yeezys are too hype. What do you think about the box?
I like the box a lot.
Good box. Definitely a good box.
Good box. Majority dead stock, if not all. We had no plan to open a box, which is why when we came up here, he's like, want to open a box? I'm like, yeah, but I'm going to take control because it wasn't a plan and I want to be the boss. So boss bitch Lola, what I've learned through these unboxings, and correct me if I'm wrong, Jordan 1s are a pretty big shoe. Yeah or no? Yeah?
Understatement of the year. Lola decided that tonight was her night. You can see that this box was her box to open. What do you think? Was it worth it? All things considered, the only thing that I can understand is the value going up from here. So,
out there, you viewers, you sexy viewers out there. Also, if you vote to never have Lola open a box again, like this video.
I want you to dislike this video if you want Lola to be in future boxes. So the goal for this video?
I would be in them, but I mean like, if you don't want me to open them. It's my video tonight, so I'm gonna be like, hey guys, it's your first time viewing us? I'm so excited you're here. Come back again next week because we're gonna have more content for you to view. Hey guys, you've been here before? Welcome back. Comment below what you want to see more of. The only way for us to grow is for you to tell us how we can meet what you want to see.
Absolutely firebox. Incredible dead stock condition stuff. Totally down.
Absolutely.
With DronKicks. He's killing the game. Make sure you check out DronKicks.com because you will not be let down.
Good night. Good luck. Happy Saturday.